The weather in Asia is hot like summer throughout the whole year. It is always hot and humid, both day and night. Have you ever had such experience? When you are awakened by an uncomfortable room temperature and struggle to sleep through the night? When you forget to switch off your air conditioner and your electricity bill soars? When you are back home, but the indoor temperature is as hot as the outdoor? All in all, T1 is here to help you. T1 will record your temperature adjustment according to your usual habits and intelligently adjust the most comfortable temperature for you to make sure the room temperature is just right. No more worrying about being awakened by uncomfortable room temperatures in the middle of the night. T1 is equipped with a location tracking function, so when you're reaching home, T1 will automatically switch on the air conditioner and adjust it to the most comfortable temperature. Forget to switch off the air conditioner when you're rushing out. T1 will automatically switch off the air conditioner to avoid wastage of electricity. What is T1? Why choose T1? With our excellence in research and development technology, integrating T1 into any home or work environment, T1 also has an intelligent system to enable integration with existing, traditional air conditioners. T1 can even allow you to control the temperature of your air conditioners through the mobile app to get your indoor and outdoor temperature at a comfortable level. T1 can be easily installed and operated. No matter where you go, you can operate it anytime, anywhere with an internet connection. Better understanding of your needs of temperature level to experience a comfortable and smarter life. T1 Smart Thermostat makes you understand yourself better. Innovation and transformation beyond borders towards advanced, distinctive future.